How to use Google Drive for cloud storage. Hello everyone. So in today's video, I will show you guys on how to use Google Drive for cloud storage. So without further ado, let us begin. To start off, what you need to do is go to the Google Drive website, which is google.com/drive, and then sign in or sign up an account. So once you're at the website, when you're going to sign in, all you have to do is go to the sign in button right here and then click on sign in. But if you want to sign up, all you have to do is go to this button right here that says sign up at no cost. And then once you're done signing in, all you have to do is just click this button right here that says go to Drive. So Google Drive has different plans just for you. So for the free plan, you'll get 15 gigabytes of storage for Photos, Drive, and Gmail. Moving on, for the basic plan, you'll get 100 gigabytes of storage for Photos, Drive, and Gmail, and then you can share it with up to 5 other people. Moving on, we have the premium plan. So the premium plan, you'll get access to 2 terabytes of storage for Photos, Drive, and Gmail, and then you can also share it with up to 5 people. And then you'll get Google Workspace Premium features. And then lastly, we have the AI Premium. So again, you get 2 terabytes of storage for Photos, Drive, and Gmail. You'll also get access to Google's AI, which is Gemini Advanced. And then you can also use Gemini in Gmail, Docs, and more. And you'll also have other benefits in this premium plan. So you could also choose if you want to pay monthly or annually. So let us start off by uploading some files. So to upload files in your Google Drive, what you want to do is go to My Drive right here, and then from here you can now start uploading your files. So there are 2 ways in which you can upload your files. The first one is by right-clicking and then just click on either File Upload if you want to upload a single file, or Folder Upload if you want to upload a folder. And then what you can also do is go to your File Explorer, and then what you can do is just highlight them and then just drag it to Google Drive, and then as you can see, it will now start uploading. And then once you're all done, this is what your drive will look like. And by the way, there are 2 types of views that you can choose for your Google Drive. So this view right here is the grid view. Then you can also change it to a list view. It really depends on your liking. So for me, I'll just go with the grid view. And then next, let us add these files to a folder. So to add these files into a folder, what you want to do is just right-click on your drive and then just click on New Folder. And then let's just name it Files. And then just click on Create once you're done naming it. And as you can see over there, Google Drive has now made a folder for your files. So to add these files into your folder, what you want to do is just highlight them and then you can drag them to the folder. And then when I double-click on the folder, as you can see, all my files are stored here. And then what you can also do in Google Drive is access Google's other applications. So for example, I'll just go back to the home page of my Google Drive, and then when I right click, as you can see over here, I can access Google's applications like Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Slides, Google Forms, and then when I click on more, I can also access Google Drawings, Google My Maps, Google Sites, Google Apps Script, Google Collaboratory, and Google Jamboard. So when I use one of these apps, the files that I will make in these apps will be saved directly in my Google Drive. Moving on, let us cover the basic actions that you could do in Google Drive. So when I open this files folder right here, and when I click on a file, as you can see, there are some actions that you could do for your file. So let us start off with the first one, which is the share button. So when I click on that, as you can see over here, you could add people to access your file. So what you can do is just input their emails in this bar right here, or what you can also do is use this general access. So as of now, it is restricted. So it says here, if it's restricted, only people with access can open with the link. And then if I change it to anyone with link, as you can see over here, it says anyone on the internet with the link can view this file. And then you can also change the roles of the people that you want your file to be accessed. So when I click on this bar right here, I can let them be a viewer, so they will only get to view my file, a commenter if you want them to comment on your file, or an editor if you want them to edit your file. And then there you go. And then once you're done, you can click on Done or click on Copy Link. So when you click on Copy Link, you could send this to the person that you want your file to be accessed. And then let's just click on done. Moving on, we have download. So basically, what download does, it just downloads your file. Moving on, we have move. This allows you to move your file from any folder that you want. And then we have move to trash. So this basically just deletes your file. And then next we have copy link. So copy link is just the same as this share button right here. So what you can do is when you copy link, people with that link can access your file. And then we have the three dots over here that says more actions. When I click on it, I can open the file with this one that says open with. So you can preview it directly in Google Drive or open it with Google Docs, or you can also use the suggested apps from Google. And then you can also connect more apps if you want, or use apps on your computer. And then you can also download it again, rename the file, make a copy of the file, and then you can also share it again, organize it so you can move it to another folder, add shortcut, or add to start. And then we have file information. So when I click on details right here, I will get to see the information of that file. So when I go to file details, I will see the type of file, the file size, the storage used, the location, the owner, the modified date, the open date, the created date, download permissions, and you can also add a description. Moving on, we have activity. So in activity, you will get to see all the things that people have done to your file. So as you can see over here, I have uploaded the file into my drive. Next, I move that file to a folder. And then lastly, I changed the permissions with that file. Moving on, let us cover the buttons right here in the sidebar of Google Drive. So for my drive, so these are the files or folders that are in your drive. Moving on, we have shared with me. So these are the files of or folders of other people that you have access to. And then for recent, these are the files that you have recently used or recently uploaded to your Google Drive or shared with you. And then the starred, so these are the files or folders that you have starred. And then for spam, these are the files or folders that are spam. And then lastly, we have trash. So these are the files or folders that you have deleted. So you should always make sure that items in your trash should always be deleted so that you could maximize your space. So to delete these files, all you have to do is go here that says empty trash and then just click on it. And then it will ask you, delete forever. All items in the trash will be deleted forever and you won't be able to restore them. So once that you're sure that you want to delete your files, just click on delete forever. And then there you go. The files have been deleted. So that is how you use Google Drive for cloud storage.